Now John's retired, he thinks he can wear whatever he likes. I mean, look at that.
That is it.
Where's the fashion police?
No vanity out here.
Come on, Cleo.
Didn't realise how heavy that sail leg was.
Yeah, and now what are you going to do about it?
I'm going to pay someone. Servicing and maintaining the engine's one thing, you know. Doing that 7-year diaphragm change is completely different.
Yeah, I think we've bit off more than what we can chew, really.
Enjoying your day off on the beach, Sharon?
Yep, Dick's going to work at the Boatyard. Nobody likes working, do they?
So there we are, me and Sharon going to have a nice barbecue tonight. Some pork belly, spicy sausages and some nice chicken wings.
Of course I get all the best jobs on this boat. Gotta clean that out, get it into that bucket. It's only cleaner but still don't look very nice. Another job done. Bought 4 of these to replace in the sinks, but they've got these holes and the ones I'm taking off haven't got any holes. I'm going to have to go back now to the plumbing shop and see if I can get them replaced. So I managed to get a replacement today. So this shower's going to need replacing as well, because this one doesn't even fit. It's no good. This shower's fit on there. I'm going to try and screw it. See if I can get something different. That's no good. Back back in there and tidy it up.
Yeah, slightly longer, yeah. Potentially. I know they've got one in the chandeliers, haven't they? But anyway.
They don't. Maybe they don't have it in stock. They can have it in 2 days, for example, something like this.
Yeah, okay.
If we agree.
Yeah, okay. But I'd rather, if that's 40 litres, I'd rather a 60 litre tank to replace it.
I want to see the small label on
Yeah.
it.
Before we leave in the morning for the boatyard, or shall we say the boot camp, we always come for a little walk along the beach with the dog. It's really nice. Have a little look round.
Okay, good morning guys, another day back at the boatyard. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to do some compounding of the gel coat because it's quite oxidised along the waterline, etc. So I'm going to go along this waterline right here. I'm going to remove the oxidisation. So for power we're going with the Boatyard AC240p Premium. That's been providing our portable power since we've been here working on the boat, which is really useful. Then for the polishing, I'm going to go with this electric polisher here, which is a Tack Life polishing machine, multi-speed, variable speed, and then I'm going to use some of this, which is a compound and polish, and then to apply that we're going to use a wool skin buffing pad to be able to put that on. As you can see, it's now roughed up.
So I've been cleaning the boat with this stainless steel rush remover, and it was quite expensive for this little pot, but I've managed to do the whole boat with this. So what do you think? Come up really nice and shiny. Busy day today, putting the sign on the boat.
Name of the boat? 23 Pioneer.
Gave the boat a little clean today. Let's be doing some more painting. So we finished painting the boat. That's the first coat on. I must say she's looking really nice. Done a good job.